Hello students, today we're going to start the geometry section of the 9th standard, that is M2, and the first chapter, that is the basic concepts in geometry. So up to 8th standard you learn that is there is only one book for the mathematics, but from 9th standard there are two books for the mathematics. One is for algebra section, which is will called as a M1, and the second one is for the geometry section, which is M2. So the first chapter, which is regarding with the basic concepts in geometry. So a point, so these are the some shortcuts you have to learn, that is a point, a line and a plane are undefined terms which are the basics concepts in the geometry. Means what? We can't define the point as well as a line and a plane. Means point is a point and a line is a line and plane is a plane. So these are the some undefined terms in the geometry. Lines and planes are the set of the points. So whenever there is a group of points, then the lines and planes can be formed. So each line and each plane contains the infinite number of the points. So these are the some important points regarding with this point and line and plane. So coordinates of the points and distance. So from this concept, these examples are related to your exercise 1.1. So listen carefully. So the number which is associated with the point on the number line is called as a coordinate. Means what? So there is a one number line, and see the point, that is O, A, B, C, P, Q, R. So these English letters, so these are called as the points, and the number which is associated with these points is nothing but the coordinate. So it is called as the coordinate of that point. And in the figure below, so see here which is the point and which are the coordinates. So the coordinate of A is 1, coordinate of P is -1, coordinate of Q is -2. Similarly 3 is the coordinate of the point C. We can read like this one, that is -1 is the coordinate of point P, -3 is the coordinate of point R. So in short, so these letters represent the points, and the number which is associated with these points are nothing but the coordinates. Now the distance between two points. So if x and y, so here I give two figures and two conditions. If x and y are the coordinates of the points P and Q, means x is the coordinate of P, we already learn here. X is the coordinate of P and y is the coordinate of Q respectively. Then the distance between P and Q is defined as the absolute value. So you learn it in the chapter real number in the algebra section, that is M1. So we denote it by this vertical line. It is also called as a modulus or mod. So it is defined as the absolute value of the difference between the number associated with these points. Means what? Whenever we have to find out the distance between PQ or QP, so both the concepts are same, that is we find the distance between QP and distance between PQ, both are the same. Now see here, you know that is the distances from the left side of this origin are less, and on the right side of the origin they are the greater. So here x is greater than y, because this one is the minus number, and here in this figure x is less than y. So left side number is always less than that of the right side number. So distance PQ, whenever we have to find out the distance PQ, here we have to write down that is x minus y, because x is greater than y here. And distance PQ, we can write here that is y minus x, because here x is less than y. And so to find out the distance PQ, we have to use the modulus of x minus y. जब भी हमें डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है पी एंड क्यू के बीच का, तो हम क्या करते हैं कि just we have to put down the modulus sign, that is absolute value sign, vertical lines, and we have to write down the coordinate of P, after that coordinate of Q, and in between there is a minus sign. आप सबको पता है कि जब हम किसी भी नंबर का, मीन्स निगेटिव नंबर का भी हम एब्सोल्यूट नंबर फाइंड आउट करते हैं और मॉड्यूलस फाइंड आउट करते हैं, मॉड फाइंड आउट करते हैं, तो उसका आंसर हमें पॉजिटिव मिलता है. मीन्स इफ देयर इज अ -3 in the mod, then the answer is always +3. And remember that the distance is always positive. So distance between any two distinct point is a unique non-negative real number. Non-negative real number means what? It is a positive number. So the distance between 2 points is obtained by subtracting the smaller coordinate from the larger coordinate. हमें जब डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना होता है जब 2 पॉइंट्स का, तब हम लार्जर कोऑर्डिनेट से स्मॉलर कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करते हैं। ऐसा एक इम्पोर्टेंट नोट आपके बुक में दिया गया है। लेकिन हम ऐसे भी फाइंड आउट करते हैं क्योंकि डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें मॉड्यूलस लेना पड़ता है, और अगर मॉड्यूलस में भी नेगेटिव साइन आता है तो हम उसको पॉजिटिव करके लिखते हैं। So next one is the betweenness. If the points P, Q, R are the three distinct collinear points. So see the meaning of collinear. Collinear means what? The points which are on the same line. Then they are called as the collinear. And what is the meaning of the distinct? Distinct means different. So if we are given the P, Q, R, so these are the three different collinear points. Means these points are on the same line. Then there are three possibilities. अगर ये 3 पॉइंट्स हमें एक लाइन पे दिए गए हुए तो यहाँ पे हमें 3 पॉसिबिलिटीज़ मिलते हैं। एक Q इज़ इन बिटवीन P एंड R होगा, R इन बिटवीन P एंड Q होगा, और P इन बिटवीन R एंड Q होगा। तो हम ये ऐसे लिखते हैं, दैट इज़ इफ़ Q इज़ इन बिटवीन P एंड R, सो वी राइट हियर दैट इज़ पॉइंट Q इज़ इन बिटवीन P एंड R, so here we write that is point R is in between P and Q. यहाँ पे point P is in between R and Q. Means there are 3 possibilities when 3 collinear points are given, and if distance PQ plus distance QR, यहाँ पे distance PQ plus QR is equals to PR होगा, then we can write that is Q is in between P and R. जब इन दोनों के एडिशन मीन्स PQ एंड QR के एडिशन हमें PR जितनी मिलती है तो हम कह सकते हैं कि दैट इज Q इज इन बिटवीन P एंड R, एंड बिटवीननेस इज रिटर्न एज दैट इज P डैश Q डैश R। इसका मतलब है Q इज इन बिटवीन P एंड R। यहाँ पर भी Q इज इन बिटवीन R एंड P। So we are going to start the practice set 1.1. So find the distance with the help of the number line given below. So यहाँ पे हमें एक नंबर लाइन दी है, पॉइंट्स दिए हैं और उसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी दिए हैं, और हमें कुछ 7 to 8 एग्जांपल्स है कि जिसके डिस्टेंस को हमें फाइंड आउट करना है। सो सी द फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज डिस्टेंस BE। वेरी सिंपल एग्जांपल्स विच आर ऑलवेज आस्क्ड इन योर एग्जाम। सो डिस्टेंस BE, सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ B। सो यहाँ पे B कोऑर्डिनेट है 2 एंड E उसका कोऑर्डिनेट है 5। तो हमें क्या करना है, सो जस्ट राइट डाउन दिस मॉड्यूलस साइन। B का कोऑर्डिनेट हम पहले लिखेंगे, there is always a subtraction sign, so minus the coordinate of E is 5. So what is the answer? Answer is -3. बट हमें ये पता है कि मॉड्यूलस ऑफ अ नेगेटिव नंबर इज अ पॉजिटिव नंबर, सो -3 का आंसर हमें मिलेगा 3। रिमेंबर दैट एवरी टाइम द आंसर इज प्लस इन is a positive number because distance is always positive. Next one, that is distance JA. So J, the coordinate of J is -2 and A it is 1, and in between this the sign is minus. Always there is a minus sign. So -2 -1, the answer is -3 क्योंकि हमें इसको पॉजिटिव करके लिखना है, so the answer is 3. PC, so the coordinate of P is -4 and C का होगा 3. So -4 -3 आंसर इज -7 एंड मॉड हटा के उसको हमें मिलेगा 7. नेक्स्ट JH, so J it is a -2 minus the coordinate of H is -1. So you have to put down a round bracket for this one. Now see minus minus is plus, so -2 plus 1, so the answer is -1 and -1 का मॉड होगा 1. Next one, that is KO. So see the coordinate of K is -3 minus the coordinate of O is 0. So -3 is as it is, and so the answer is 3. Next one OE, O का coordinate is 0 minus E का coordinate है 5. So answer is -5 and total final answer is 5. And similarly you have to solve the example number 7 and 8. Next one, question number 2. If the coordinates of A is X and that of B, means A का coordinate है X and B का coordinate है Y, and you have to find out the distance AB. मीन्स यहाँ पे हमें डायरेक्ट A की वैल्यू और B की वैल्यू नहीं दी है, हमें ये बताया कि A का कोऑर्डिनेट है X और B का कोऑर्डिनेट है Y, और X एंड Y की वैल्यू हमें दी गई है। सो X इज इक्वल्स टू 1 एंड Y इज इक्वल्स टू 7 हमें दिया गया है। सो हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस वन? So we know that is the coordinate of A is x, so x is equals to 1. You are given that is, and the coordinate of B is y is equals to 7. So how we can find out distance AB is equals to in mod. So coordinate of A, that is 1, minus coordinate of B, that is 7. So 1 minus 7 is minus 6, and so the answer is 6. Next one, x is equals to 6 and y is equals to minus 2. Again x किसका coordinate है A का, so A is equals to x is equals to 6 and the coordinate of B is y is equals to minus 2. Now see, we have to find out the distance AB. So in mod 6 minus minus of 2, 6 minus, यहाँ पे minus sign है, so minus 2, minus minus plus, so 6 plus 2, that is 8. Now x is equals to minus 3 and y is equals to 7. Again the coordinate of A is x is equals to minus 3 and coordinate of B is y is equals to 7. So we have to find out the distance AB. So A का coordinate है minus 3 minus of ये 7, so total होगा minus minus plus, means हम numbers के addition करते हैं और sign large number का देते हैं, so minus 10 and modulus हटा के हमें इसका आंसर मिला 10. So this is all about the question number 1 and 2 of the exercise first, that is practice set 1.1. The remaining examples we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.